Animal Kingdom.
Yes, we are here.
On our 28th wedding anniversary, which is today.
Yay! Happy anniversary, Mom. Mwah.
Mass kiss.
Mass kiss, mass kiss.
Anyways, I'm going to show you guys everything, how to get through the security, the pandemic situation, how they're handling it. If at any point we feel unsafe, we're outie. Look at our wedding years. Wait, let me show my back. Do you see it?
28 years. No, you don't. There we go. Wait, there we go.
All right, so this is, I believe, temperature check we're gonna go through now and see how it is. So Papi, go in front of me so I can get it and show the process. I'm so hot right now that I'm probably going to, I hope it's not an issue.
Line.
Good morning, thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Hand sanitizer going on over here. Just before you go in the park.
That's amazing. I hope it's not those ones that smell horrible. And here we are. Oh, we have to do security check now. Here, Papi, let me do my hands. And we are almost in here. This beautiful Animal Kingdom. And there she is, the beautiful tree of life. So today is Saturday, so it's not full, but I feel like there's a little bit more people. We'll see when we get inside the different areas and check out how we're doing. But plenty of room to social distance. And so far, lots of stops for antibacterial and washing your hands.
I got goosebumps on my legs. Yeah. Look more. Look, David.
Oh, God.
Oh my God, right on top of us.
We're so excited. Like, yeah, McCall, yeah. That was awesome.
Okay, so this is the hand stations I talked about that are everywhere. We're going on safari now. It's gonna be a great time. It's always best to go early in the morning. So let's check it out. So here's in the line to get in. And you see they have these plexiglass. And of course the social distancing on the floor. Pretty cool.
You can see all the plexiglass between every row. So they have a lot of things placed for safety.
Yeah, for sure.
To ensure a safe and pleasant trip, you should be in good health
And right on.
Now, the sable antelope are going to be one of the animals that do tend to be a bit more brave, and that's because you might notice that their horns grow long and thin and pointed back away from their heads. That makes those horns a great defense mechanism that will deter predators from jumping onto their backs. The other thing that really helps them out when they graze, though, is going to be their tongue. A giraffe tongue is approximately 20 inches long, and those tongues are also going to be prehensile, which is just kind of a fancy way to say that they can use them a lot like how we use our hands, wrapping their tongues around the leaves to pull them out of the tree. Study them and learn more about them. And one of the really interesting things that our researchers have learned about the elephants since they've been here is that even though they are one of the largest animals in the world, they are also still kind of afraid of the sound of bees. We've been able to use that information, though, to help farmers that were having trouble with elephant herds destroying their crops. The farmers were then able to build bee-hive fences, giving them a safe way to protect those crops from the elephants, and also giving them an additional source of income because of they could harvest all the honey from inside the fences.
Look, Papi, that's me and you.
Coming around the watering hole a little bit more, their hair, but that hair only grows in 3 places on their body. It's going to be the tops of their ears, the tips of their tails, and
oh my
gosh.
also probably pretty obvious that they don't get their names from the color of their skin. Their name came from the mistranslation of an Afrikaans word.
Hey, look at that.
Their original name in Afrikaans was the white rhino, and we found out a little bit later that even though white and white sound pretty similar, they don't mean the same thing. White is actually Afrikaans for wide, which
that was amazing,
square
bro.
wide shapes their mouth. They can also get pretty far away from one another if they need to. A lion's roar can be heard from about 5 miles away, giving them one of the most powerful roars out of any
right there,
mammal
man.
species.
Close it up.
They're also another species where it's pretty easy to tell the difference.
Oh, look how cute. What's that? So even for the viewings, they have social distancing markers.
Oh, here comes one.
Don't wave. I'm not waving.
Don't wave at
Hello.
the thing. It's a sign of aggression. Hello.
Wow, look at her.
Hello,
Look at them
primates.
toes. Look at like the.
Bro, that's a human, bro.
The feet. That's a human.
Bro, he's so unbothered.
Look at how she just.
Just munching her. I gotta take a picture.
Can you imagine having that as a pet in your house, bro?
Did you see that? Whoa, whoa.
Hello.
Go away, go away.
Hey. You're looking right at me. Hello. Good morning.
She's like, whatever.
You are beautiful. Well, thank you for saying hello. And you have a wonderful day. Yeah. I'll see you later. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I feel it. You guys are so bad. This corn is amazing. How's that Simba pretzel?
It's no longer a Simba.
I live in Pandora. So beautiful.
Where are you guys?
So we got some cups of water with ice and just checking out how they're doing things. And you leave the things on the table and you get up and immediately they start cleaning everything, the chairs, the tables. So that's pretty cool. And then you have the, you know, one table yes, one table no. So yeah, they're doing a great job, I think. But it's time for our ride. It smells wonderful here too. Go, Avatar. Okay. So again with the social distancing, we go back 12 feet because, you know, safety first. Safety begins with me. That's right, girl. It's a Disney. Good, are you ready to become an avatar?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Papa, you can become an avatar now?
Our ears are here.
So it looks like it'll be just us.
You guys have to come all the way to the very last dot.
What do you mean she said 1 through 5?
Yeah, but she said come to the last dot.
Great! Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee.
Oh my god, we just finished. Amazing. So we are on another water break because my lord, it is hot. But we're gonna take you to the Navi River. It's a beautiful ride as well. But we needed some more. Here we go. Oh!
Over there, man.
Something happened there. They have a screen and oh my god, I just love this look.
Been on the ride and I hate it.
Alright, we're leaving Pandora now. Okay, so we're in this shady spot right before we go for lunch, which is at Rainforest Cafe. And then we'll do a couple more rides and go check in at the Fort Wilderness. It is hot, y'all. Like big time. I used y'all. Where did that come from? But anyway, it's super, super hot. I am sweating bullets, like my husband says.
This elephant one.
And it's nice and cool here. Like, it kind of looks. Thank you so much. Thank you. So here's the menu. It's a limited menu because of Corona again, and it's a paper disposable. I don't know what I'm gonna have, but it looks amazing. And of course, this has to happen. Drinky drink. It all looks so good. I don't know what I'm gonna get. This one wasn't enough. These are delicious.
Rice. Yeah, absolutely.
And then, oops.
Yeah,
Yum. Hey, the meal came with the storm. Fish and chips for my gordo.
Rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta. Wait, look at mine. Oh. And then Isa got a yummy chicken sandwich. That looks delicious. And Ivana got a yummy quesadillas and sex fries. Fun time over here in Animal Kingdom. Time to ride some more rides. On to Dino Land right after an amazing lunch and margaritas, and we're gonna do dinosaur. Let's see who throws up. Let's go get that dino.
This is post Corona Ritas. They were so good. But we're feeling
Hey
so
guys, it's Yadi again. I am here walking into Dinosaur, one of our favorite attractions at the Animal Kingdom parks. As we're coming up here, we see a nice replica Tyrannosaurus Rex sword bones. And coming up here, we see the oh so famous, ooh, don't mind my finger, Iguanodon, the prime example of the dinosaur ride. Yeah, so here we go, guys.
Let's go get that dino.
Let's go get that dino. Yeah.
So here is Dinosaur. There's a little bit of wait because they're cleaning the rides right now, as you see, but we'll be on shortly. But it's so great. Nice AC, nice and empty line. Now, let's go get that dino. Oh no, why are you so far away?
Social distance.
You're social distancing from me.
Yeah.
too dark in
Just
here.
little one. There he goes. Thanks for everything.
We made it, Pa!
He always held on to me in the haunted mansion. To my
David was like, I was all alone. That was very stressful. On Dinosaur. So funny. Riders ready? We're ready to go. Hi, Gandong! David! Isa's all the way in the bottom. Why is Isa all the way in the bottom? There she is! He's so evil. He's looking for a lizard to take into the ride so people can freak out for real.
Our cast of bugs is ready to present their show. It's Tough to Be a Bug. Please note that our show contains loud noises, darkness, and special 4D effects, which could be too intense.
What an amazing day our anniversary was today. Animal Kingdom was so much fun. We practically did everything, but Mount Everest went down, so we didn't get to do Mount Everest. Great lunch at Rainforest Cafe. Then we finally came to the cabins and I knocked out. I was so tired. I knocked out and rested a little. The kids are at the pool. And we're going to have a great day tomorrow, and I'll bring you along tomorrow as well. Again, thank you so much for watching. And this is tough. I don't know how these vloggers do it, where they vlog all day and make these great videos and things like that, because let me tell you, it was tough in the heat. I mean, it is hot. And, you know, and of course we knew it was going to be hot. We have fans and cooling towels, but for the most of the day, I was so red and sweaty, but it's worth it. It was a lot of fun. So anyways, tomorrow I'll do like a cabin tour and things like that. We have breakfast at Chef Mickey's, and I'll bring you along for that. And again, thank you so much for watching. And you know, do the thing. Please subscribe, like, and comment so that we can support each other's channels. Thank you so much.